What is going on YouTube? It is Mr. B Official, also known as Brian Tremaine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoins instantly, even if you're a beginner. Okay, now make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm going to be giving you free access to my Bitcoin and crypto fast track training, where I'll also be showing you how to get your hands on free Bitcoin. Okay, another thing I'm going to give you is access to our private Facebook group where you'll be able to go in and I'll be able to help you with any questions, concerns, or troubles you find yourself in right away. Another thing I'm going to show you is how to get your hands on a Bitcoin debit card. That's right, folks. You'll be able to spend Bitcoin in the real world easily and securely. For those that don't know me, I'm a digital marketing consultant and crypto enthusiast. Here is the logo for my consulting company. I have also done SEO consultation for a company in Silicon Valley worth over 150 million by the name of Elastic. Here is a screenshot from one of the SEO campaigns that I've done. As you can see here, uploaded by Bryant Robinson, ranking #1 out of 22,000 results in Google. Here is some testimonials from when I did SEO consultation for plastic surgeons. Just a few things they're saying about my work. Great job, all that good stuff. I also own multiple e-commerce stores. Here is a screenshot where we did $11.4 thousand in sales and over 30,000 people to our store, our online store, in less than 30 days. Now, let's jump straight into it. How to buy Bitcoin for beginners in 2018. Let's talk about the future of Bitcoin in 2018. Some people believe that Bitcoin is crashing and will not rise again. Well, I'm here to tell those people they are wrong. Okay, there is a major move happening in the second quarter of 2018 as early as April the 2nd. Every new market boom happens in 3 steps. The first step, a new investment comes to market, which in our case is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The second step is early adopters get in. And then the third step, something happens. A major shift takes place, just like we're about to see on April the 2nd. Each time this happens, huge profits follow. So what's happening in the second quarter of 2018, you ask? Well, according to the Wall Street Journal, some of Wall Street's largest players are gearing up for Bitcoin. We're about to see a huge influx of cash into the crypto market, potentially trillions of dollars from some of the biggest players, big banks, pensions, hedge funds, and trillion-dollar asset managers. Mike Novogratz, who was a hedge fund legend and now crypto convert, says Bitcoin will hit $40,000 per coin in 2018. Tika Terari, the author of New World Money and now crypto millionaire, who predicted Bitcoin to $15,000, now predicts Bitcoin to $350,000 per coin in just a few short years. Jeremy Liu, which is one of the main investors for Snapchat, says Bitcoin to 500K by the year 2030. Those are phenomenal numbers, folks. Coinbase, which is the largest and most trusted crypto exchange and wallet, announced that they are opening or have opened a Coinbase custodial service. In a snippet that I pulled from medium.com, it reads, announcing Coinbase Custody, a digital currency custodian for institutions. Today we're announcing the launch of a new company to help institutional investors securely store digital assets. Coinbase is already storing more than $9 billion of digital currency on behalf of its customers, and they're excited to bring a new product built specifically for institutional investors. You see, the problem, folks, is these institutional investors are managing tens of millions of dollars, and they never had a gateway or a medium to be able to invest that large amount of money at one time. Well, now they do, folks. In the same article, it reads, over 100 hedge funds have been created in the past year exclusively to trade digital currency. An even greater number of traditional institutional investors are starting to look at trading digital assets, including family offices, sovereign wealth funds, traditional hedge funds, and more. By some estimates, there is $10 billion of institutional money waiting on the sidelines to invest in digital currency today. In an article snippet I pulled from Bloomberg.com, it reads, NASDAQ plans to introduce Bitcoin futures. NASDAQ wants to launch them as early as the second quarter, sources says. This is similar to when institutional investors were able to buy gold for the first time in 1974. Now it's about to happen with cryptocurrency, and if you act fast, you can make a life-changing move by just investing a few $100s. In just a few short months, when the institutional money comes pouring in, you can kiss any chance you had of buying Bitcoin for less than $20,000 or even $50,000 goodbye. Those days will have come and gone. In the 1980s, America Online, or AOL, Prodigy, and a few other internet companies were formed. These companies went public, and in the know people in Silicon Valley were early investors. Wall Street still wasn't interested at that time. When AOL went on its roadshow in 1992, nobody wanted anything to do with them. As CEO Steve Case would later say, the conventional wisdom was that the internet market will always be limited to hackers and hobbyists, similar to the chatter that we hear going on circulating around Bitcoin and cryptocurrency today. In 1995, the third phase happened, and Wall Street finally jumped on board, and the share prices took off. AOL went from $2.34 all the way to $83 a share. Yahoo went from $24 at its IPO in 1996 all the way to $475 per share. Intel went from $4 to $75. Cisco went from $1.94 to $82. Okay? Anyone who got in before the big money had the chance to make a life-changing fortune. The key is to get in before the big money does. We're about to enter phase 3 for cryptocurrency, and once it arrives, there is no going back. So how do you get in? My top choice is Coinbase. They're the most trusted, they're the largest, they're the most reputable. There's a secondary choice with the Cash App, which I'll get into later. And both of these give you the option to get debit cards. You can spend directly from these accounts, okay? Now, I don't want to just show you how to do it. I also want to answer any of your questions you have while setting any of this up. But I can't help everyone because I'm only one person. We have a limited team. This is a first come, first served offer, okay? I'm going to give you free access to my Bitcoin and crypto fast track training course. You will learn how to take advantage of the market today, how to get in easily and securely, how to make money in crypto, and how to get free Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on the rise, folks, and if you get any amount of free Bitcoin, I'm sure it'll be worth a lot later, okay? Also, I'm going to give you access to my private Facebook group. You'll have access to me where you can ask me any question anytime you need help. Also, I'm going to get you the information you need to figure out how you can get your hands on a Bitcoin debit card. Spend Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrencies anywhere, anytime. The training is short and sweet so that you can get in fast. All you have to do is click the link in the description while spots are still available. Go ahead, check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the training.